बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। हाउ आर यू फर्स्ट ईयर क्लास? आई होप एवरीबडी विल बी फाइन with the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Dear students, welcome to your English class, and you know that we are studying your play number 1, that is Heat Lightning, and this play has been written by Robert F. Carroll. And you know that, dear students, in previous lectures I told you that a girl who was the witness of a crime, she, in a fear by scene of the killer, she ran and she took you can say shelter in a bus station, and she thought that the killer, he was behind her, and that's why she was so much afraid. Okay, so there when she entered into the bus station, she found that there was already a man was sitting there who was waiting for the bus, and she didn't know that whether he was the killer or not, but she had the notion that he would help her in this situation. That's why she told him each and every detail of the murder that she had seen. Okay, so let's start. Let's continue that what happened next, because there is the entry of a second man who is the third character, beta, who is the third character of this play. Okay, let's see what is he saying to the girl. Well, I'm sure as hell am, but there is nothing I can do about it. I guess, कहता कि मेरे ख्याल में इसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. Okay, there is another flash of lightning and the light dims very low again. बेटा flash of lightning mean there is a light, ठीक है, flash mean light, shine. Okay, बेटा जैसे बिजली चमकती है, बिजली की चमक है, and the light dims, और जो लाइट बेटा inside, light mean जो inside the bus station, उसकी जो बेटा वो जो अंदर लाइट लगी हुई है, ठीक है, dims very low again. The girl is pressed against the right window in fear. The light recovers. Okay, अब वो लड़की क्या करती है? She pressed against, बेटा वो उसमें जो है ना विंडो के साइड पे चली जाना शुरू करती है, ऐसा ऐसा ना मूव करती है in fear, because she is so much afraid, and she is thinking that because the second man he entered after her in the bus station, that's why she thought that maybe that person was the killer. Okay, second man say you are really upset, aren't you? Has somebody been bothering you? Bothering mean बेटा disturbing, confusing, ठीक है, कि तुम्हें कोई परेशान कर रहा है. The second man moves towards her again. Girl, it's just a storm. Second man, afraid of storms? Girl, yes I am. Yes I am. ठीक है बेटा. Now she is so much afraid that she can't talk properly. ठीक है. The girl seems as if she is about to faint. फेंट मीन अनकॉन्शियस, ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे वो गर्ल जो है अभी अनकॉन्शियस हो जाएगी, बेहोश हो जाएगी, ठीक है ना. द फर्स्ट मैन पुशेस अहेड ऑफ द सेकंड मैन एंड टेक्स हर बाय द आर्म एंड लीड्स हर डाउन टू द बेंच. अब कहता है बेटा फर्स्ट मैन जो है, बिकॉज द सेकंड मैन, द गर्ल इज अफ्रेड ऑफ द सेकंड मैन, दैट्स व्हाई द फर्स्ट मैन ही came close to them and he took the girl's arm and make her sit on the bench. Okay, so man, she'll be all right. Why don't you leave her alone? कहते तुम उसको अकेले क्यों नहीं छोड़ देते? Why are you disturbing her? Why are you making her worry? Second man, yeah, sure. He moves away, watching the girl. But students, although he moves away, but he is constantly looking at the girl, because he is observing that why he is trying to know that why the girl is so much afraid, because he didn't know the whole scenario or the situation that she is passing by it. ठीक है, so he is trying to make it sure that what was the actual reason of her fear. ठीक है. Second man, there is another brilliant flash of lightning and a crack of thunder. The light dims slowly and goes out. The girl lets out a muffled cry. Muffled better means concealed. Now there is a crack of thunder. ठीक है, दोबारा से बेटा थंडर होती है, एंड लाइट जो है इट डिम्स स्लोली एंड गोज आउट. फाइनली द लाइट गोज आउट मीन की बिजली बंद हो जाती है. क्लियर, एंड देयर इज अ यू कैन से डार्कनेस इन द बस स्टेशन. क्लियर. सो मैन, हियर हैव अ च्यूइंग गम माई डियर. कहता कि तुम एक च्यूइंग गम लोगी, खाना पसंद करोगी. द मैन ओपन्स अ पैकेट एंड गिव्स हर वन. The second man pushes his head between them. Now, both the first man and the girl, they are sitting together. And what was the condition of the second man? That he pushes his head between them. कि बेटा जैसे दो लोग खड़े हों या बैठे हों तो उनके दरमियान में अपना सर कर देना. ठीक है, it was the same situation. क्लियर? सो सेकेंड मैन, डोंट माइंड टू हैव वन मोर, डू यू? कहता अगर आप मुझे एक और दे दोगे तो आपको बुरा तो नहीं लगेगा? नॉट, नो ऑफ कोर्स नॉट. गिव्स हिम वन मोर. ओके. द लाइट कम्स अप स्लोली. नाउ द गर्ल, बेटा जो लाइट है, नाउ इट रिस्टोर. ठीक है, दोबारा से जो है वो आना आहिस्ता आहिस्ता जो आना शुरू हो जाती है. सेकेंड मैन, थैंक्स. ही स्ट्रोल्स अप टुवर्ड द सेंटर डोर. नाउ ही स्ट्रोल मीन वॉन्डर. ठीक है, मूव करता है, जैसे इधर उधर घूम फिर रहा है. ठीक है, इट मीन स्ट्रोलिंग टुवर्ड द सेंटर डोर. गॉड, व्हाट अ नाइट. मीन टू से व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नाइट इज दिस. Always wonder what brings people out on nights like this. कहते कि I'm always surprised that why people come out on these nights. ठीक है, because the weather is so much harsh and there is a you can say flash of lightning again and again, and why people actually he is trying to tell them that why they have come out from their houses in this weather, in this horrible weather. ठीक है, so wouldn't catch me out of it if it weren't pretty important. Now they hadn't asked him the reason why he came out, but he is himself telling them that if I didn't have a business very important business, then I won't come out of my house. कि अगर मुझे कोई अहम काम नहीं होता बेटा तो मैं जो है वो अपने घर से कभी भी बाहर ना निकलता in this situation या in this terrible weather. Okay, how about you? To man. Now he is asking to man. ठीक है, man से पूछते हैं how about you. ठीक है, that which thing came you out of your house, brought you out of your house. Man, I have early business in town. Early business in town means to say I have an urgent piece of work in the town. कहते हैं मुझे बहुत important काम था. ठीक है, that's why I came out. Second man, to girl, and you? और आपको क्या काम था? Girl, I was visiting with friends. I should have stayed the night. Now she said that I was visiting with friends. कि मैं जो है अपने फ्रेंड के साथ गई थी या किसी से मिलने गई थी या अपनी फ्रेंड्स को मिलने गई थी. So I should have stayed with them because it was wrong. It was my wrong decision to came out in this stormy weather. Second man, oh you are not together then. कहते it's mean you are not together then, तुम दोनों साथ नहीं हो. Man, no. Second man, see. I see. कहता ओके, नाउ आई हैव अंडरस्टूड. ठीक है, he moves down toward the girl. How far did you say you were going? कहता तुमने क्या कहा था कि तुम कितनी दूर जा रही हो. ठीक है, गर्ल, not far, about 8 miles. मैंने ये कहा था कि I am going about 8 miles far. The second man sits beside her and she moves away suspiciously. Now he sits beside her, उसके बिल्कुल साथ बैठ जाता है on the bench, and she moves away and she moves suspiciously, बेटा doubtfully, because she had a doubt, she had a notion about the second man that he may be the killer, because the second man he entered into the bus station after the girl. ठीक है, when she entered the bus station, then after her the second man he entered in the bus station, and that's why she thought that maybe he was here in order to following her. ठीक है, उसको फॉलो करता हुआ यहाँ पे आ गया है. ठीक है, सेकेंड मैन, आई नेवर सॉ एनीबडी सो अफ्रेड ऑफ अ स्टॉर्म. कहता है मैंने कभी किसी को स्टॉर्म से इतना अफ्रेड नहीं देखा है. गर्ल, इट्स द लाइटनिंग. शी इज सेइंग दैट इट इज़ द लाइटनिंग दैट आई एम अफ्रेड. ठीक है, सेकेंड मैन, लाइटनिंग, I used to be afraid of it when I was kid. कहते कि when I was a kid, when I was a little small child, then I used to be afraid of it. Okay, it was my habit that when there was a stormy night, I got terrified. I got afraid. ठीक है, but I got all by myself too. लेकिन कहते हैं कि I had a control on my fear. ठीक है, I made me a new man by removing that fear from me. मैंने अपने आप को उस fear से निजात दिला दी थी. ठीक है, he takes the girl's arm. Now he is capturing her. ठीक है, उसको पकड़ा उसने by the arm. Look, come here. I will show you. Now he is by keeping her hand, by keeping her arm, he take the girl and he wanted to show her something. That's why he leads her up to the window rear right. Rear mean back. मेरा जो बेंच की बैक पे विंडो थी ना, on the right side, he takes her up to that window. ठीक है, watch the sky. The time there is a big flash. कहता नाउ लुक एट द स्काई एंड लुक एट द टाइम, नाउ देयर विल बी अ बिग फ्लैश, बहुत बड़ा अब जो है ना फ्लैश होगी, लाइट या बिजली चमकेगी, यू कैन से, ठीक है। लाइक अ ग्रेट बिग 4th of July, लाइक जैसा कि 4th of July को हुआ था। बेटा डू यू नो व्हाट वाज 4th of July, व्हाट वाज द डे and why is it important? Because it was a US Independence Day. Like our Independence Day is 14 August, in the same way all the countries they have their own Independence Day, ठीक है बेटा, and the 4th of July it was the Independence Day of US, ठीक है। So that's why I say that like a great big 4th of July, कि जैसे एक great big 4th of July था, जब जैसे उस पर एक शाइन हुई थी, you can say एक रोशनी हुई थी, in the same way you will find that there will be lightning, okay, there is brilliant flash of lightning, look, see, what did I tell you, it was cutting the whole world into two, ऐसा लगता था पूरी दुनिया को जो है वो दो हिस्सों में काट देगा। the girl breaks away goes right, अब जो लड़की वहाँ से उठ के तो दूसरी तरफ चली जाती है, राइट साइड पे, you wouldn't even watch it, you will never get over to afraid of things if you won't face them, कहता अगर तुम उनको फेस नहीं करोगे, if you don't look the things into their eyes, ठीक है, you won't overcome your fear. So beta, this is it's enough for today's lecture, and I hope inshallah, I hope you have very much well understood it, and inshallah we will go back to its ending point tomorrow inshallah, and guys, up to tomorrow, stay blessed, keep me remembering your praise, and thank you so much for attending this lecture. Allah Hafiz.